Hey guys, I want to get on today and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I've been thinking about, it's been a while since I thought about a couple of these things that I'm getting ready to mention to you, but this one totally is a great thing to think about. Um, when you meet someone, or if you see someone, or you haven't seen someone in a long time, um, you have you thought about just giving them a little compliment? Compliments are the best thing ever. When my mother was very ill and she couldn't speak, she understood maybe like a 5-year-old, maybe that. Um, because she couldn't read anymore. She couldn't write anymore. She couldn't talk. She couldn't, now not 5 years olds can't talk, but since she had the stroke, it was so hard for her to communicate. But as she got a little bit later, in 29 months, she, at the end, she communicated with us the best she could, and we understood what she was trying to convey to us since she could not speak. But when I would come in and I would see her, I would say, "Mother, you look beautiful today." She'd go, "Oh," and smile. She never lost that smile, that beautiful smile. And I got to thinking about it recently, because it's been over a year now that she passed. And I got to thinking about that compliment meant so much to her. When I went to see my mother-in-law, the first thing I would say, "Oh, your hair looks pretty," or, "Oh, your eyes are so pretty today," or, "I love your top," and luckily, blessed we were that she could speak. It was wonderful. Compliments help with so many situations. I remember many, many years ago, I was working with a person, and when they got out of their car, when I saw them get out of their car, my desk was where I could see where they parked. I could tell the way they were in their feelings for the day. If they were going to be kind, if they were going to be unpleasant, or they were going to be moody, or whatever the case would be, I knew that I could tell. But when they came in, and I finally would see them sometime in that day, I would say, "Oh, I love that outfit," or, "I love that," or you could say whatever, tie, or whatever. Something, a compliment, and it just made things better. Isn't that strange? But it's not. Complimenting people means so much. It makes people happy. It makes them, and do it sincerely too. Just don't say it just to be saying something. If you don't mean it, it's going to show. But say something, a compliment, a sweet compliment. That's all I'm going to say for today. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Compliment someone. Make them feel good. We all need it. Until tomorrow, oh, don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And be kinder than they are. I love you. Until tomorrow.